Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, it is all about keeping your Android phone safe from cyber threats. With our smartphones being integral to so many aspects of our lives, whether it is handling financial transactions, storing personal information, or staying connected with loved ones, securing them is more crucial than ever. In this video, we will walk you through a comprehensive guide on how to protect your Android phone. Here's what we will cover. 1. Keeping your software updated. 2. Using strong passwords and biometric security. 3. Installing trusted security apps. 4. Managing app permissions. 5. Avoiding phishing scams. 6. Utilizing encryption. 7. Backing up your data. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with practical strategies to keep your Android phone secure from a range of cyber threats. Let us get started. Method 1. Keeping your software updated. Our first and most crucial tip is to keep your software updated. Software updates are essential because they often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities and protect against new threats. These updates can prevent hackers from exploiting known issues and ensure your device runs smoothly. Here's how you can check for updates. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and select System. Here, you can see if there are any available updates. Make sure to enable automatic updates so that your phone can receive and install updates without manual intervention. Automatic updates can be set up by going to Settings, System, System Updates, and turning on the Auto Download Updates option. Regular updates are your first line of defense against cyber threats, so make it a habit to check for updates frequently. Method 2. Using strong passwords and biometric security. Next, let us talk about securing your phone with strong passwords and biometric security. Passwords are often the first line of defense, but they need to be strong to be effective. Avoid using simple or common passwords like 123456 or password. Instead, use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Here's how to create a strong password. Use at least 12 characters. Combine upper and lower case letters. Add numbers and special characters like @ number, or $sign. For even better security, use biometric features such as fingerprint recognition or facial recognition. These features provide an extra layer of protection and are harder to bypass than traditional passwords. To set up biometric security, go to Settings, select Security, use fingerprint scanner or face recognition, and follow the prompts to register your biometric data. Enabling these features not only enhances your phone's security, but also provides convenient access without compromising safety. Method 3. Installing trusted security apps. Another essential step is installing trusted security apps. While Android has built-in security features, adding a reputable antivirus or anti-malware app can provide an extra layer of protection. These apps help detect and remove malicious software that could compromise your phone. Here are some highly recommended security apps. Avast Mobile Security provides comprehensive protection against viruses and malware and includes features like anti-theft tools and app lock. Bitdefender Mobile Security, known for its strong performance and minimal impact on device performance, offering real-time protection and anti-theft features. Norton Mobile Security offers robust protection with features like App Advisor, anti-phishing, and call blocking. To install these apps, simply go to the Google Play Store, search for the app, and download it. Once installed, run regular scans to check for any threats. These apps also provide real-time protection, which is crucial for preventing malware from infecting your device. Method 4. Managing app permissions. Managing app permissions is another important aspect of phone security. Many apps request access to your camera, microphone, contacts, and other sensitive data. While some of these permissions are necessary, others may be excessive or unnecessary. To manage app permissions, open Settings, select Apps and Notifications, tap App Permissions. Here, you can review which apps have access to various features. For example, if a calculator app requests access to your contacts or camera, that is a red flag. You can revoke any permissions that seem excessive or not related to the app's functionality. Controlling app permissions help prevents unauthorized access to your data and reduces the risk of apps misusing your information. Method 5. Avoiding phishing scams. Phishing scams are designed to trick you into revealing personal information, such as your passwords or credit card details. These scams often come in the form of emails, text messages, or fake websites. Here's how to avoid falling victim. Be cautious of unsolicited messages. Do not click on links or open attachments from unknown sources. Verify the source. Check the sender's email address or phone number to ensure it is legitimate. Look for signs of phishing, such as misspellings or unusual requests. Check website URLs. Before entering sensitive information, make sure the website uses HTTPS and is from a trusted source. Look for a padlock icon in the address bar. By staying vigilant and skeptical of unexpected requests for personal information, you can avoid falling prey to phishing scams. Method 6. Utilizing encryption. Encryption is a powerful tool that helps protect your data by converting it into a code that can only be read with the correct decryption key. This means that even if someone gains unauthorized access to your phone, they won't be able to read your data without decrypting it. To enable encryption on your Android phone, go to Settings, select Security, tap on Encryption, and follow the instructions to encrypt your device. Encryption ensures that your data remains secure and private, even if your phone is lost or stolen. This step is especially important if you store sensitive information on your device, such as financial details or personal documents. Method 7. Backing up your data. Finally, let us talk about backing up your data. Regular backups are essential for ensuring that your information is safe in case your phone is lost, stolen, or compromised. With backups, you can easily restore your data and get back on track without losing important files. To set up backups, open Settings, go to System, tap on Backup. Enable backup to Google Drive or another preferred backup service. Make sure to configure automatic backups to ensure your data is regularly saved. This not only protects your data from loss, but also allows you to quickly recover your information if something goes wrong. And that wraps up our detailed guide on how to protect your Android phone from cyber threats. By keeping your software updated, using strong passwords and biometric security, installing trusted security apps, managing app permissions, avoiding phishing scams, utilizing encryption, and backing up your data, you'll be well equipped to keep your device safe from a range of potential threats. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe out there, everyone. Bye for now.